Hello class, this is Miss Naidu and welcome back to week 2. So in this particular week, we're going to just be reviewing the male genital system, okay? Make sure you take the time. I did notice that there's a few of you that on week 1, okay, you have all the general information here for you, okay, of what is expected, your book information, the introductory to this class and information regarding the assignments and things like that. Right here, there's this academic honesty policy. Make sure you click on that and you agree to it, okay? So I will be looking for that for this week, okay? So make sure you do complete that. Just some information in regards to week 1, okay? Just a little recap of what we learned. So we did learn in regards to the urinary system, okay? I hope that you did go through the lectures, okay, and watch the lectures as before you did the assignments. That was the best thing. That was in this direction here of what to do, okay? Another thing that I did notice is that a lot of you did not do very well with these 2 assignments, okay, which was the ICD-10 assignment and the Chapter 20 assignment. Here on week 2, okay, I'm going to be uploading that after this video. I'm going to give you a breakdown of those assignments of how you would have been able to code them and complete them correctly, okay? So you'll find those links here. Once they turn blue, that means that they're those videos are ready for you to view, okay? The next thing that I also noticed in week 1 is make sure you go by order of what I'm giving you as your list, okay? So on number 6, I gave you a video with the guided assignment answers to part 1, okay? So, and this is for the next step. So this video actually had the answers to this assignment, and I noticed that only a little bit more than half of you, okay, submitted that assignment. So there should not be any reason why you should get a 0 for this assignment if all you really had to do, and I said it again here in this area, that notice that I gave you a step-by-step guide with the answers, okay? So again, make sure that you're going through the entire week and you're clicking on each one. So I always have on Monday ready first is your notes, okay? Because obviously, even if I had all of these, you couldn't get through all of those sections in one day, okay? So that's why I spread it out, and then I also take my time creating these videos for you. So make sure that you first complete this assignment. So I'm going in a pace where it gets more complex as you go, okay? So the assignment, that particular assignment that I'm talking about, this number 6, those were the answers. So again, make sure you're clicking through the blue links. That way you do get the lecture and you get the information. I also noticed that some of you didn't do very well with ICD-10 assignment. And again, that lecture was ready for you. All you had to click was view it and then first view the assignment, or I should say the lecture, and then view the assignment, okay? So this is a little recap on week 1, okay? So on week 2, what to expect here. Again, I'm going to go over those 2 assignments that I want to say the majority of you did not do so well. So this is going to be kind of a tutorial of a step-by-step so that hopefully for this week you can do better, okay? So make sure you watch those first, and then your next thing you need to do is complete your CPT notes, okay? And there they are, the CPT male genital system notes, okay? And then the next thing you're going to do is complete your discussion question. Again, there should be no reason why you don't complete that at the time that it's needed. That's a free 100 almost. I mean, it's most of the time they're really easy, so make sure that you don't skip that, okay? This week I'm going to be offering, and from this point forward, I'm going to be offering 2 sessions, okay, for tutoring. Due to how I feel the performance of week 1, I feel that we have a lot of work to do as far as understanding your coding books. Okay, so I have one. I'm sorry, it says evening, but it's afternoon. I have the first one will be Thursday at 7 to 8. Okay, so that will be this Thursday, and then on Friday, for those of you that can't make it at night, I will give you one for 12 to 1. Now, keep in mind that these are not mandatory. However, I will be offering extra credit. And if you attend to both of them, I will give you dual extra credit. Okay, so the way that I'm going to be giving extra credit is I'm going to give you 20 points towards your lowest grades that you did for that week. So those of you that attended this last live session, I'm going to be giving you, most likely in this assignment, an extra 20 points, okay? Because you attended the live session. So you could have approximately a total of 40 extra points if you attend, okay? So now when you do attend, doesn't mean that you put on the phone on or your iPad in your car or you're doing another activity and you're just leaving me you leave your mic muted and you're not really participating. So it's really important that you participate. I do ask everyone questions, okay? So make sure that you are you take the time to make that time aside from what any other activity you're doing. Have your coding book in front of you, and that way you can follow along. And also, please make sure you bring any specific questions that you may have in regards to this week's assignments. Okay, so if you have any specific questions, that is the time that you want to ask. Okay. Next, I will be uploading your pre-recorded lecture on Mail Genital System. This will be uploaded by the 28th by 6 p.m. Hopefully I can make that time. If not, it will be by 7 p.m. Okay. Your next assignment, on the agenda would be the assignment for Chapter 20, which would be due on Sunday. Okay. And that will be opened on Wednesday. Okay, I do that because first you need to watch the video and then you can apply yourself here. Okay. Next, after that, you will be having a pre-recorded lecture video here. And again, it's the same thing. It's going to be the answers to number 9. Okay, so just listen to the video, follow the directions, and you'll be able to complete number 9. Because it includes the answers, okay? And then number 10, this will be on your own. This is now applying yourself of what you learned and applying that on number 10, okay? The next step. Okay, so if you followed along the way the agenda, then you should it should mirror this here as well. And of course, the live sessions are the only ones that are not down there, and also the review of last week's work here. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me via email. If you want side tutoring, of course, I don't give extra credit for that for any one-on-one tutoring. However, I mean, it's still going to be beneficial for you if you are having a hard time or you just want that individual one-on-one session. Okay, have a great day. I hope you enjoy this week and be safe out there.